Right now we're standing on top of the earthen dam, and it's a basin that was originally created by the city of Cleveland. It holds the stormwater that comes from Mill Creek upstream, and it drains 4 square miles. The improvements were made back in 2001, and we have dredged the basin. There's approximately 12,000 cubic yards came out. And there's also a small pond that comes from the I-480. Right now the crew is dredging that basin. There's about 500 cubic yards in that. The purpose for this basin is to hold back the heavy flows and to allow the sediment to filter out. And so it does require periodic cleaning. Unfortunately, that had not been done since it was created. There was, at the deepest, 9 feet of sediment in this basin. Last Friday, this pool was actually full. It probably had 5 feet of water in it. There's a 24-inch pipe that drains it. Unfortunately, it's been clogged for quite some time. We had a jet truck out here that jetted that out, which allowed the water to pass through to drain into the main basin. And right now we're excavating the sediment that has been accumulating here for many years. The outlet can only pass through so much volume. And so with the design of the basin, it'll allow the 36-inch pipe to drain, but it will only drain so fast. And so it pools, and that's what causes the water to rise. So it restricts the volume flowing downstream. That's the purpose of the dam, so that it reduces the flooding downstream. So there was quite a bit of water in here.